Understanding, the clock is ticking. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, the clock is ticking. This phrase is not just about time on a clock, but it carries a deeper meaning that is widely used in English conversations. Let's dive in and understand what it truly means. The clock is ticking originates from the literal sound of a clock ticking. It's a reminder that time is moving second by second. Typically, we think of clocks as measuring the ongoing progress of time, and the ticking sound is a constant reminder of time's passage. In a figurative sense, the clock is ticking is used to indicate that there's a limited amount of time to do something. It often implies urgency or a sense of pressure to complete a task or make a decision before time runs out. For example, if someone says, "The clock is ticking on our project deadline," they mean that there isn't much time left to finish the project. This phrase can be used in various contexts. 1. Deadlines. In work or school, indicating an approaching deadline. 2. Life events. Referring to age or life phases, like, "The clock is ticking if you want to start a family." 3. Opportunities. In situations where an opportunity is about to close. Let's look at some examples. The clock is ticking. We need to make a decision now. With the exams approaching, the clock is ticking for students to revise. When using this phrase, avoid these mistakes. 1. Don't use it for casual or non-urgent situations. It might cause unnecessary stress. 2. Be mindful of the tone. It can sound alarming or pressuring if not used appropriately. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, "The clock is ticking," and how to use it effectively in your conversations. Remember, it's a powerful phrase that adds urgency and a sense of passing time to your speech. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.